Installing a generator in the rain today. Well, waiting for the rain to stop anyway. I'm installing it in between showers. Okay.
What do you want me to say?
Just say whatever you want.
Okay, here we are. Roland and I just put in a new generator. The Predator.
Actually, no,
the
it's
Renegade. Let's start
Rialta
over again.
Renegade.
The Renegade. It was the Predator, but now it's the
Now
Renegade.
it's the Renegade,
Right? Now
yep.
it's the Renegade, and we're gonna have a startup right now on it. So it's all hooked up.
Joke's kicking in.
Joke's kicking in. And now
That's
it's
right.
running real smooth, nice and quiet. Now I can run my central air, run my microwave, the hot water heater. You know, I can also check out the voltage on it, check out how much current it's putting out, the wattage. That's the wattage, right?
Yes.
And then how many hours
Total, yep.
that I have on it, and how many minutes it's running and hours it's running so far.
Yeah.
Really nice. I also could put it on eco mode, which means I have less of a load and it runs quieter.
It runs, yep, lower
It's
RPM.
quiet. It's quiet already, but it runs quieter, you know.
Yeah.
And then
Oh, you hit the starter again.
oh, I'm sorry, I turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay. And now I'm self-contained.
Yep.
So
And you can run your water heater and your microwave at the same time?
yeah, I can run my water heater and microwave at the same time, or I can run my hot water heater and my air conditioning at the same time.
Yeah.
You know, you don't run a microwave very often,
Right,
you know,
right,
so
right.
you can turn off the air conditioning while you run the microwave if you're running at the hot water heater running too, or
Yeah.
just shut the hot water heater off because the residual is going to keep it hot for a while.
That's
you know
right.
what I'm saying?
That's right. Yeah.
So we're very excited. It looks nice. And it's very professional looking, and I can't say enough to say
Yeah.
how grateful I am for that.
And you
So-
drove from where?
I drove from Kenosha, Wisconsin, which is
Wow.
like a I think it's like a 600. No, it's like a 780 and some mile.
Yeah.
You know, it took us 2 days. We drove 12 hours yesterday to I want to say Dayton, Tennessee, and then I drove here 3 hours to get here this morning.
Okay, and you left your wife in Dayton.
Yeah, I left my wife in Dayton,
Okay.
Tennessee. So
Okay.
when I get done here, I'm going to drive back to here and show her the generator. And
Yeah, yeah.
Kind of
yeah.
cool, really sweet.
Great, great.
So-
Well, and what was your name again?
Tom
What's your last name?
Maglish, Maglish.
All right,
Yeah.
Tom. All right, well, it's been a pleasure installing this generator for you,
Yeah.
building it for you. And,
Well, I don't have to worry about inverters as much now. you know,
right,
so-
you're right, because it's an inverter generator. Yeah.
Yes. So I got I had an inverter off the 12 volts. It sucked the 12 volts out real fast, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
And so now I don't have to worry about that. I can run AC off anytime I want to, you
Yeah.
know. So I don't have to go to the campground and plug it in to get my AC.
Right.
So that's
right.
cool.
Yep.
So I'm planning on doing some roughing up.
Yeah,
Going
what do you call it?
places and-
Boondocking.
Boondocking, yeah, actually go boondocking. So
Yeah.
looking forward to that.
Yeah.
So
All right.
anyway, thank you
great.
very much.
Thank you.
you.
All right, bye.